near a software company. There was a small tea stall. That tea taste almost the same as remaining as other tea shops. The same taste only. But still, this shop is crowded like anything. Crowded like anything. Just what the reason is, the tea shop owner remembered everyone's name. As soon as someone arrived, he smiled and said, "Good morning, Suresh. Good morning, Suresh. How is the tea?" Something like the owner is always going to call. He's always going to spell out by call by name. Okay, like customers. Then the customers feel more comfortable, right? So Ravi, same tea. So same tea means already remember what taste you require. What taste do you require? Okay, like do you require the same tea, right? Yeah, like so. Next, Ravi, how was your weekend? Something like he's talking. Sir, how you celebrated? How you did this weekend? So for the last 4 days onwards, I'm not seeing you. Okay, you are out of station. Something like that personalized interaction makes more comfortable. This person definitely is going to visit this tea shop only. It is one skill. Remember that. Okay. Even other tea shops are going to provide at less price also. They still return the same. Okay, one customer said, "I don't come here only for tea. I don't come here only for tea. I come because this tea uncle remembered me. Remembered me." Okay, like that. So make sure. So you should have that name, how much important, like that's it. So remember the names. People feel important. Trust grows. Relationships becomes strong. Automatically success follows.